Mix some thin set, and this is the mortar that you buy to put tile down. This will hold that flower pot back together. We're going to mix some up in the bucket right here using the directions on the bag. Okay, we are mixing. Okay, so here we go. We got the parts to put together. We got the mortar, and we're going to put this big puzzle back together. Here we go. Okay, so here's what we're doing. We're putting this mortar on here so that we can use it just like cement, or like putting together a puzzle or model plane. We're not worried about any of it contaminating or dropping or being sloppy at this point. We can clean it all up at the end. We just about got that ready to put this in place. Okay, now this is going to go in place just like this. What's really neat about this is after you put it all back together, you'll have a very unique looking pot, which really looks cool. Come around the other side and get a shot of that. Gives a lot of character to the pot. Be put back together with thin set. This gives it extra strength to put inside just some additional pieces of clay from an old broken pot or something. That really builds up or really boosts the strength of this patch. Actually, it makes it stronger than the existing pot. But just use pieces of old clay that you have from the stuff that's broken in the past. If you don't save that stuff, it'd be a good idea to just get a can or a container and save broken pots just for a project like this. There it is. See, it's all put back together now, and we've got duct tape on the outside. Okay, here's what we're left with. And this is what that flower pot looks like while it's being put back together. And I'll show you the results tomorrow.